Now, we want to explain the sweep command. As you see, we drawn a circle before as profile sketch, and in separate work planes, drawn two sketches as the path and guide curve. Click on the Edit Sketch to enter the sketch environment for path curve. As you see, start point of spline has a relation with the center point of circle. Relation is coincident. OK. Exit from sketch environment. Again click on the Edit Sketch for the guide curve. And enter the sketch environment again. Click on the start point of arc. In left area, existing relations, Pierce relation, that coincidence the point on circle. OK. Exit from sketch environment and run the sweep boss/base command. In profile/path, you can select the sketch profile or circular profile. If your profile isn't a circle, click on the first option. Now, we have a circle profile. First click on the circular profile. Only by choosing the path and diameter of circle you can do it. But we choose the profile sketch. OK. Now, in profile option select the circle. And in the path option select the spline sketch. Your preview 3D model is ready and shown in yellow transparency color. OK. Good. In Guide Curve tab, select the arc sketch and you can see the changes on your 3D model. OK. Now, in Options tab, we want to explain the profile orientation. But before start this job, change the profile sketch with the guide curve. Right-click and delete. And etc. OK. That's very good. Click on the eye icon below the Guide Curve tab to show you the profiles of sweep. First option is Follow Path. That means the profiles are perpendicular to the path curve in every point of it. Click on the arrows on the Show Sections icon, eye icon, and move the preview yellow section. To see the position of section curves on every point of path, move it more and more and see carefully. OK. That's very good. OK. Change the profile orientation to Keep Normal Constraint. In this situation, the profile is parallel to the first sketch profile in every point of path. Again, in Show Section icon you can see this situation. Test it more and more by clicking on the arrows and moves the section. See it carefully. OK, that's very good. In the Start and End Tangency tab, the options are Path Tangent or None. Zoom into the start position of sweep. Then select the path tangent. See the changes. Your sweep model start with tangency situation. And next is None. Your sweep model start straightly. Test this two situation more and more and see the changes on your 3D sweep model. OK. Good. Finally, Click on the Thin Feature checkbox and see the changes on your sketch profile. We explained this situation in previous movies. Okay. Good. Now, swept cut. But first, create relations between the profile sketch and the guide curve sketch. Click on the guide curve and choose the Edit Sketch to enter the sketch environment of it. Then click on the Start Point of Arc. Keep the Control button and then click on the Circle Sketch Profile. Choose the Pierce relation that constraint them together. OK. Exit the sketch and run the command. Swept cut. Select the profile. Then, select the path. OK. Select the guide curve. And OK. To complete the command and see the changes on your 3D model after cutting. OK. That's very good.